everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of words and their hidden meanings. Today we're unraveling some popular slang terms that often get misunderstood. So grab your detective hats because we're going on a linguistic adventure. First up, deep dive. Now, you might think this means taking a plunge into the ocean's depths, right? Wrong. In reality, a deep dive is when you thoroughly investigate or study a particular subject or topic. It's like becoming a detective for a subject that piques your interest. Example, dialogue. Person A: I did a deep dive into classical music history last night. Person B: Oh, did you go to a concert? Person A: Nope, I spent hours researching composers and their works online. Moving on to shade. This isn't about seeking shelter under a tree on a sunny day. Throwing shade means giving subtle disrespect or criticism towards someone. It's all about the art of being discreetly sassy. Example dialogue. Person A: I love how you don't care about fashion trends. Person B: Wait, was that a compliment or did you just throw shade? Next, we have clapback. This doesn't involve any actual clapping, folks. A clapback is a quick, witty, or sharp response to criticism or insult. It's all about defending yourself in style. Example dialogue. Person A: Your team is going to lose for sure. Person B: At least my team made it to the playoffs. What about yours? Lastly, ghost kitchen. No, it's not a kitchen haunted by spirits. A ghost kitchen is a kitchen that serves exclusively through delivery without a physical restaurant for diners. It's revolutionizing the way we enjoy our favorite meals. Example dialogue. Person A: Let's go to that new Italian place tonight. Person B: Actually, it's a ghost kitchen, so let's enjoy it at home. Got any funny stories or slang mix-ups of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you and sharing a laugh or two. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of slang. It's fascinating how language evolves and adapts over time. Before you go, hit that like button if you learned something new today, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun explorations into the words we use every day. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.